Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. In this video, I want to showcase an interesting business that is being running here in India. So it is quite unique. That is the reason I am covering it. So every one of you would have played with toys at some point in your life. And if you are a parent and if you have kids, you might know how important it is for you to have toys at your home. So most of these toys are just thrown away after use, and it became obsolete in months because kids lose interest in these things within a short period of time. So that is where I saw recently this business that allow parents to rent toys at their home as a subscription service. So every month you can get a new set of toys. So these toys are sanitized, cleaned, and given to each family or kids. So that is how I came across this. So I thought I will cover it, which can help various parents. So these are not sponsored videos. I am just covering what are the ones which is already there here in India. So the one that I saw here was the first one is known as Khilonewala.in. So they claim to be the India's #1 toy library. So if you are looking to engage your child better at home, you can click the membership. So if you're looking to start a Khilonewala toy library franchise in your city, they also offer the franchise opportunity where you can start your own franchise on top of this Khilonewala. So this is the inquiry form. So this is the membership. So this is like a business that you can start on your own, where you are the franchise and you own a set of toys that you want to circulate into the city. So they are saying there are 4 lakh plus toy kits have been delivered. So they have a membership. So this is the membership inquiry form. So this is the one which is known as Khilonewala.in. Now I will show you the Elephant.ai. So they have a mobile app also, I guess. So now if I look at the plans and pricing, I think here I can see the plans and pricing. So they have large toys per swap. This is the maximum number of toys you can have at once every time. So they have various subscription. Okay, so they have free delivery, money back guarantee. This is the plus, mini, and max. Okay, so now if you look at it, they have plus, mini, and max. So let me look at the plus subscription. Okay, so now if I look at plus subscription for 14 days money back guarantee, yeah. Now if I look at it, I can see for 12 months it's 7,188, which is around 600 rupees per month. So in that I have unlimited swaps. I can swap the toys. That is free delivery, toys per swap. So how many large toys can I have? So here you have one large toy. The number of toys per swap is this. So it's quite an interesting business which I have not seen anywhere. So you can become the elephant champion, help friends and family subscribe, answer their queries, and earn exciting rewards for every sign up. So download the Elephant app to unlock this exclusive feature, discover personalized toy recommendation, and monitor your child's milestone all in one playful app. Maybe I'll just introduce you to this app also, because I think this one, from all the ones that I've seen, I think this looks pretty good. So you can have toy library for school. You can become an ambassador. You can turn your love for play into income. So you can join India's most truly loved toy library community and earn 50% commission on every referral. So they have that. You can sign up for free, share your link, and earn 50% on everything. This is also an interesting way. Maybe I'll just sign up for it and put a link here so that you can get some discount also. So the another one that I saw here is known as Toyflix. which offers again toys. So they have a different set of pricing. So now if you look at it, they also have an app. So approximately in the market, I think they cost around 6,000 to 7,000. Also, this is for 6 months only. The other one was for 12 months. So that one looks better to me. So I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.